New Zealand has a prominent do-it-yourself culture, with many homeowners keen to take on renovations and repairs on their own. The internet is a fantastic resource for finding out how to get things done, whether you want to get to grips with mixing concrete, designing a woodshed, or constructing a patio. YouTube, with its mix of visual and audio content, is perhaps the best place to start researching for DIY construction. You can also find reviews and tutorials for different products, tools, and materials. Certain kinds of work are outside most people's expertise, especially electrical and plumbing work, which may require qualifications from recognized authorities. You must have a license to legally perform most kinds of sanitary plumbing, drain laying, gas fitting, electrical work, restricted building work. Restricted building work includes anything that influences the primary structure of the property, such as walls, framing, foundations, floors, and roofs. Weather tightness, anything outside the building which prevents moisture entering your home, and fire safety systems. For work that is not restricted, you can do it yourself without a license, as long as you secure all necessary consents and meet building code requirements, whether it requires a Code of Compliance certificate or not. For more information on complying with the building code, code compliance certificates, and other building matters, visit business.govt.nz. There, you will also find a useful guide as to what plumbing, drain laying, and gas fitting work does or doesn't require a building consent. A free quiz that can help inform your renovation planning can be found at consumerprotection.govt.nz. If you complete restricted work illegally without a proper license, you might not be insured for damage caused by your own workmanship. You may also struggle to get the certificates needed for council sign-off if the work requires consent. You may also have problems when you try to sell your home or building. Worse still, the work may be unsafe and risk causing death or injury to you and others. If you're unsure, consider hiring or consulting a licensed tradesperson. There are online registrars where you can check licenses for the different kinds of regulated work, as well as review websites like No Cowboys, which you can use to ascertain who would be best suited to your project needs.